21 60 minutes, 247 screws, 103 parts, 87 critical points, 18 precise steps. And it all leads to one singular objective: restoring your interior to its pristine condition. This isn't just a cleaning, it's an intricate process of revival, where every piece of your car's interior is taken apart, inspected, and restored. We dive deep into every hidden corner, every crevice, every layer of your car's cabin, leaving nothing untouched, no detail overlooked. Each particle of dust is banished, every smudge wiped away, every piece restored to its pure original form. This isn't simply a refreshed interior, it's an experience reborn, a transformation that returns your cabin to an immaculate standard. Because we believe your space deserves more than a clean, it deserves a revival, meticulously crafted down to the very last detail. Imagine stepping back into your car, a sanctuary of elegance and calm, where every surface gleams, every inch feels renewed, and each detail is perfectly in place. It's not just the look, but the feeling of a fresh beginning, crafted just for you. With each touch, every drive becomes an invitation to experience luxury, redefined and meticulously restored. For the discerning few, only at EA Detailer.